Hi students, I am Sumalata. In today's class, I am going to teach about how to make chemical equations more informative. To make a chemical equation more informative, we should need to mention characteristic properties of reactants products present in that chemical reaction. What are those characteristic features or properties? Those are nothing but first one is physical states of reactants and products present in a chemical reaction, and heat exchange, they are not in that chemical reaction. Third one is there any gas evolved during the chemical reaction? Fourth one is there any precipitation formed in that chemical reaction? Fifth one is sometimes reaction conditions like temperature, pressure and catalyst, these are all we should mention above or below the arrow. Let us see how to represent all these characteristic features by taking some examples. Okay, first one is mentioning their physical states. See, Fe2O3 reacting with aluminium. This Fu2O3 is the solid one, aluminium also solid one. See, here aluminium replaces the iron from its compound. See, 2 moles of aluminium you should take. Here this Al2O3 also solid material, iron also solid material, delta symbol. This delta symbol indicates the heating. This is reaction mixture, students. To this reaction mixture, if you provide heating, then aluminum replaces the iron's place in that compound. Here one more thing, for solids we are indicating with S, for liquids indicating with L, for gaseous material indicating with G, and aqueous one, when we are going to use this aqueous one? Aqueous one we are going to use if any substance is present in the form of solution state in water, then we are going to write it is in the form of aqueous state. Okay. Next one is, this is about the first one. Next one is there heat exchange? There are not, you can check. See here, carbon, solid form of carbon reacting with the gaseous form of oxygen, then they will form carbon dioxide. This is also gaseous form. Here plus Q, just remember it. What is this plus Q? I will explain. And next one is N2 gas reacting with oxygen gas. Here NO will be formed. This NO also gaseous material, and minus Q. Here students, I already told you in yesterday's class, some of the chemical reactions are exothermic reactions, some of the chemical reactions are the endothermic reactions. See, from product side, plus Q indicates the releasing of energy during that chemical reaction. From product side, minus Q indicates the taking energy to that chemical reaction. Okay, this is about heat exchange. Next one is there any gaseous substance evolved or not, or gases evolved or not? You can take a reaction between zinc solid and sulfuric acid, H2SO4. This is in the form of aqueous one. See, they will gives you zinc sulfate, Zn, SO4. This is the aqueous one, and H2 gas. See, dear students, this gaseous material we are also indicating with the upward arrow. Okay, upward arrow. So here gas is evolved. Okay, this is about evolving of gas in a chemical reaction. Next one is there any precipitation formed in that chemical reaction? See, by taking an example, AgNO3 aqueous form reacting with NaCl. Okay, they will gives you NaNO3, this is the aqueous one, and Ag NaCl. This is the solid material. See, it is also aqueous. NaCl also aqueous. Here see, this is the solid and this is the aqueous. If these two are going to be settled in a test tube, so that liquid will be separated and solid will be separated. This solid do not dissolve in this liquid material, so that we are indicated with downward arrow. Is there any precipitation formed during that chemical reaction? We are indicated with a downward arrow. Remember it. Okay. This is about precipitation formation. Next, fifth condition is what? Some reaction conditions like temperature, pressure, catalyst, etc. If these are there, we have to mention sometimes above or below the arrow. You can see here AgCl, if it is exposed to sunlight, see sunlight I am writing on above the arrow. See here I am writing, delta symbol writing on the above the arrow. So here after exposing sunlight, Ag solid and Cl2 gas will be formed. See here the condition of this reaction I just mentioned on above the arrow. And the next reaction, you can take one more example. Carbon dioxide gas reacting with water. This water is a liquid form in presence of sunlight and chlorophyll. See, here also C6H12O6, it is the solid material, and 6 molecules of oxygen, it is the gaseous one. See, these reaction conditions I just mentioned on above and below the arrow. This is about how to make a chemical equation more informative. I hope you all understand about this one. If you have any doubts, just mention in comment box. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe my videos. Just share these videos to your known people. We will meet in the next class. Take care, all of you.